guys, happy Tuesday. Carly and I are on the way to the beach. It is a beautiful day here in South Florida. The weather, it's 74, so that's the reason alone to go to the beach of how nice it is outside, and it's very sunny out as well. So I'm very thrilled to be going to the beach. I haven't been to the beach in a while, and neither has Carly, so it's gonna be a nice little day for us. Yesterday was Monday. I didn't really vlog too much because I went to my grandma's house and I picked up a couple groceries to make lunch for my cousin and my mom. I made us like little rice bowls, and I used brown rice. I had a whole avocado. There was mushrooms, onions, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower. And then I topped mine with feta and jalapenos, and it was delicious. So that's what I did. I just grabbed a couple things at my grandma's that I wanted to keep for myself and just kind of spent the day with my mom and my cousin. So that was yesterday, and then today, now I'm enjoying this beautiful weather. I ran 4 miles to the beach and back already, just finished up my protein shake, and now I'm gonna soak up some vitamin D. So that's what's on my agenda for the day as of right now, but who knows where else the day will take me. This is nice, kind of making my own schedule and figuring it out as I go. I'm kind of enjoying it because as of right now I have no obligations, and the only obligations are the ones that I say yes to. Outfits up. Oh, you're gonna start? Okay, do it. Okay.
No, you start.
No, you do
nervous.
it.
You made me nervous. I don't know what to say now. Start. It was happening naturally for me. Outfits of the night. I have this to start with from Brandy Melville tube top. These pants are from Princess Polly. Shoes are from Dillard's. They are Gianni Beanie, I think you say? I don't know.
Cute is what they are.
So purse, Urban Outfitters, Nixon watch, Tom Ford glasses, and yeah, all my other jewelry is
fam jewelry.
Yes.
My shirt is actually featured in my recent Forever 21 haul. It's just a white basic, so comfortable. These jeans are actually from Boston Proper, which is no longer Boston Proper, but whatever their new brand is, that's what these are from. Shoes are from Target. I've mentioned these in a few different videos. This belt is H&M. It's a really great basic. Movado watch, some miscellaneous rings, and my purse is from Amazon. So this is, oh, and my grandma's earrings. I really want to feature these. Yes, these are beautiful. I took them from her jewelry box. And vintage. So we're gonna go to happy hour. It's a Tuesday, so why not? We are at happy hour place number 2. Hi. We went to the first one, had a glass of wine, and now we have moved locations to Park Tavern. So we did want to go to El Camino for dinner. El Camino has awesome tacos, really good price, nice drink specials, all the shebangs, but 2-hour wait. So that was just not gonna fly. Happy hour ends in about a half hour. So we need to take full advantage of it. So we moved to Park Tavern. So again, I ordered a glass of wine, and we're probably gonna order some bar bites and just kind of enjoy this evening. It has been a beautiful day. You guys saw Carly and I spent the majority of the day at the beach and soaked up the sun. As you can tell, I have a little color on me, which I'm very appreciative of. I was feeling a little pale. So some vitamin D did me good, and now we are having some drinks, some food, and enjoying this Tuesday. I hope you guys are having a fabulous Tuesday as well.
Dreaming in the daylight, 'cause I know heaven is a world away. Yeah, we're here sleeping on the floor, but this hell feels better with you.
Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Today is March 28th, which is a very special day for me because it is my mom's birthday. So I know sometimes as we get older, birthdays are kind of just another day. So I'm trying to make sure today is anything but that for my mom. My mom and I have a really, really close relationship, and she is my best friend, my rock, my foundation to who I am. So I swear, her and I talk about 8 times a day on the phone, and that's just standard. You know, I call her for just about anything. If I'm bored, if I need advice, if I'm happy, if I'm confused, like she is my go-to of mom, how do I make my way through this life? So I'm so lucky to have her, and I just want her to feel appreciated and know that although she's a year older, that means I get to spend another great year with her, and for that I'm so very thankful. So she is on her way up to my house now. We are gonna go to the spa. I'm getting some things taken care of for her, and then we are gonna go out to lunch. So I'm not really sure where we're gonna go eat. Of course, I'm gonna take you guys with me, but I figured I'd show you what I put in her little gift basket that I'm getting her. It's just a bunch of random things. Her gift at the spa is pretty nice. So I just got her a few miscellaneous things that she can open. Yesterday I went to Urban. You guys saw after happy hour and got her some sheet masks. She doesn't really use these that often, but I know that when she does, she really likes them, and I'm gonna press her to use them because sheet masks are awesome. They're 4 for $10 at Urban Outfitters. I might have kept one for myself. But the ones I got her are Tony Moly. I got her the I'm Real Pearl mask, so this is for illuminating. I also got her the lemon mask, so that's for brightening. I was trying to go for the anti-aging, you know? And then I got her pomegranate mask, and that's for elasticity. So, all things that she needs in her life to make her skin feel good. She does like this Pureology Color Fanatic. This is serious hair color. You just spray it in your hair after you get out of the shower, run it through with a comb. I use it and I really like it, so I picked her up a new one. And then today at Trader Joe's, I saw this shea butter and coconut oil hair mask. Just figured why not, another thing that she could try. It says it moisturizes and revitalizes dry damaged hair, deep conditioning for soft and silky hair, and it's vitamin E infused. So this was $4, so I'm like, heck yeah. She also needed black ankle socks because I make fun of her for wearing her tennis shoes with white socks. I'm like, girl, you need black in your life. So that's what I got her. And then she also likes pistachios. So I picked her up some pistachios. And then I did get her a card. Trader Joe's has cards for 99 cents, people. Hallmark, you don't need that. Like $6 for a card. Me, my mom, my grandma, like none of us are really card people. It's all about what you write inside. Like the actual message of the card doesn't really matter. It's the thought and effort you put into the message of your own. So wrote her a nice little message. I had tears streaming down my face writing it. I'm a very big sap. So writing birthday cards makes me cry every time. And then I'm gonna put this in the bag, and I did get her a bouquet of flowers. I thought these were really pretty. Again, Trader Joe's. And then I did get her some vegan cupcakes. I'm gonna put some birthday candles into it and sing. But I also figured, let me show you my outfit of what I'm wearing today because I'm kind of feeling myself. Dirty mirror as always, but this is my outfit. My bodysuit is from a place called Shusha, and it has an open back like that, so really cute. I like the low V. You guys know I mentioned in my videos, if you have a small chest, low V cuts are very flattering, because look at that illumination, people. It looks like I have boobs. Haha, I don't. My shorts are from Express. This belt was my mother's from probably the 1970s, but I still wear it. Isabel is meowing in the background. My cardigan kind of shawl is from H&M. I have it in a burnt orange. I'm obsessed with this thing. I'm so happy I purchased it. Shoes are from Target. How many times can I wear the same shoes? Don't know. Same jewelry as always. And I am wearing diamond earrings that my grandma left me.
Working through the midnight. I know heaven is a world away.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Okay, blow it out though. So I look creepy and can barely talk. I am finishing the night with this I'm Real, again, the Tony Moly. This is the moisturizing sheet mask. So my mom went home after her birthday. We had an amazing day together. It was just so nice being together and enjoying her birthday. But she did her sheet mask too. She sent me a picture. Told her to take a selfie with how good she looked. And yeah, so I'm gonna put this on for 30 minutes, watch some YouTube videos, and then I actually get 2 uses out of my sheet mask, so I'll just fold it right back up and put it in the fridge. So that's what I'll do, and then I'll use it probably not tomorrow, but the following evening. Get that full moisture, you know? So that is what my night is consisting of. Hi guys, it's Monday, but I do want to end the vlog here so I could edit and upload it for you guys. I really finished out the week enjoyably. And I think if you just have a positive mindset, it's obviously easier said than done. But you can always have a good week. You can always have a good day. You can maybe turn a situation that you didn't think was gonna be that good into something a lot more enjoyable than you may have thought. That's exactly what happened to me a few times this week. I was like, oh my gosh, this is gonna turn out horribly. And it was by far the opposite of that. So remember, life is all about perspective. It's all about the way you look at things, and it's all about your attitude in the moment. So as you guys saw, Alicia and I worked together on Saturday. We did a little music festival for Deep Eddies, and we were in their RV, which was really cool. And then yesterday was Easter. I don't really celebrate Easter as a holiday anymore, but my brother and my mom and I still got together. We had a nice dinner, and then we went and got ice cream after, so that was really nice too. And now I'm actually gonna go get free coffee. I got a text, hey, you haven't visited us in a while. Yeah, because I'm trying to save my money. So here's $5 on us. So I'm gonna go do some work at a coffee shop, kind of catch up and start this week off strong. So I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. Please leave me comments down below. Let's get some engagement going. I do respond to comments. If you're a subscriber and a watcher of my videos, if you comment, you know, 99.9% I will respond to you. So leave me some comments down below. Tell me what your week, what's the good, the bad, the ugly. Give me all the details. And until my next video, I will see you guys then. Bye. Mwah.